What's up everyone, Derek Vandelinder here, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to set up Metatrader 4 on your phone. Now, this is a super simple task and it's nice to have, so when you're on the go you can look at your chart and it looks exactly how you need it to look. So let's get started here. I want to thank you guys for being here. This video is going to be pretty simple, and after you're done with this video, your Metatrader 4 on your phone, which is the platform that we trade off of, should be set up exactly like mine, okay? So let's get started on getting you set up here. So when you're setting up your Metatrader 4 on your phone, you need to go to the App Store and make sure that Metatrader 4 is downloaded. So I'm going to walk you through this step by step, but what you need to do, go in your app store, whether it is iOS or Android, and make sure you download Metatrader 4, okay? So after you download that, your chart's not gonna look how it is on this screen right here. This is what it will look like after it's completed. So you'll have a white screen here, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna click the chart button right here, pull this up, and you'll click on the screen. Now, after you click on the screen, this should pop up right here. I want you to click Settings. Now, I want you to set up your colors however you prefer it. Now, the way I have mine set up is just how I like it. It fits my eyes well. You can set it up exactly like this for right now, and then after it's done, you can mess with the colors and see if you want to switch the colors up. But for me, this just looks pretty smooth and it's just simple, okay? So I'll click on colors. So the first thing you want to do when you go in here, you want to click on colors. Now pause this video. Your colors should be exactly how it is right here on the screen, okay? So this is exactly how mine's set up. After you do that, what you'll do is you'll hit charts, go back. After it's set up exactly like this, click back and hit charts right here, and it will bring you to this. So your phone is now gonna look these colors on this chart here. But what I need you to do so you can get the indicators on your phone is press this F. It looks like an F. I don't know if it is an F, but it looks like an F at the top of the screen, right in the middle right here. I want you to click that. Now, you're not gonna have all this on, but this is what it's gonna look like after you are finished. We have 4 moving averages, 3 Bollinger Bands, and we put our TDI on at the bottom indicator window. So first, you're gonna need to click Main Window here at the very top, and you'll click Bollinger Bands. So you're gonna do this step 3 times. It's very important. I'm gonna walk you through it step by step, but you're gonna need to do this 3 times. So click on Bollinger Bands here, and after that, this is what your first set of Bollinger Bands should look like. We have period 34, shift 0, deviations 2.0, and then you apply it to the close. Again, you can put your colors how mine are, so you can see if you like it, and if you don't like it at the end of this, just switch it, okay? After that, you want to click Done. Make sure you click Done, because if you click space, I don't think it saves for you. So click Done, and you'll do it again. So we'll click Main Window, we'll go back to the Bollinger Bands, and this time, it's a 34 period, shift is 0, deviations is 2.5, and then apply to close, and the same color, okay? So after that, click Done. Remember, the only difference from this Bollinger Bands is the deviations, and it's 2.5. So again, we're gonna click Main Window, we'll do Bollinger Bands one more time, click on Bollinger Bands. Now we have period 34, shift 0, deviations 3.0. That's the only change when it comes to this new Bollinger Band is the deviations. All of them should be the same besides the deviations, okay? So after that, you click Done. Now, after you're done with this, you're gonna need to do Main Window again so you can add your moving averages. Now, when you do this, you click Moving Averages in here. Now remember, we're gonna need to do this 4 times because I use 4 moving averages in my strategy. So we'll do that, and the first one I want you to add is the 50 moving average. It's a period 50, shift to 0, method is simple, okay? And then you apply it to the close and pick whatever color you want. Then click done when you're finished. Now we'll go to main menu or main window again, and we'll add another moving average, okay? So this moving average is gonna be an 8 period moving average, shift 0, method is simple, and then apply to close. Set up your style just like mine, click done when you're finished. Step 21, we got the main window again. We'll add another moving average. This one is gonna be the 800 moving average. I have it set up as purple. Shift 0, method is simple, apply to close, okay? Then click done when you're finished. And we have one more. We click main window, moving average one more time, and we're gonna do the 200 moving average, set it up just like this. Now you can pause through this whole video, or you can go to tradersociety.com, click the download section, and download this PDF, and it's gonna just walk you through this right here. Super simple, okay? Now, you're gonna see at the bottom, it's gonna say indicator window 1. I need you to click on that. After that's done, you're gonna click relative strength index, okay? Now, this is what it is set up as, and this is very important. So the period is 14, apply to close, level is 30, 75, 70, and 25. Make sure that you have that because that's very important. Those are the levels you need, and it should look exactly like this. Now click done when you're finished. Indicator window one last time, we're almost there. Now we're gonna click Bollinger Bands. Now, with Bollinger Bands, period 34, shift 0, deviations 2.0. Now on this one, you need to make sure that you apply it to the previous indicator's data, okay? After that, click your style, whatever color you want, click done, and you are finished. Now this is what your chart should look like on the screen right here. It should be all good to go. Now, with Metatrader 4 on your phone, when you're using it, when you turn the screen left, you can pop up, and you might have to go through the settings for this, but one-click trading just like Metatrader on our desktop. So you have to turn your phone sideways, and you'll see the one-click trading on the top left, just like our Metatrader 4 on our desktop. Now, if you do turn it sideways and you can't find that, make sure that you go to your settings and make sure you click one-click trading, okay? And it should pop it up. But this is honestly, when I'm trading, I will take my trades off. So I'll have my phone in my hand and I'll take my trades either off my phone or manage them with my phone and just have it in front of me. So after I get done placing my trade, I basically manage it from my phone after I do everything else from the desktop. Very important to have this set up. It's a nice tool. One thing that I do add is I do not enter trades off of my phone when I'm out and about and don't get to do the full analysis of my trade. So for me to take a trade, unless I decide to go a way lower lot size, I have to have the visual of the chart in front of my face on a desktop so that I can see the overall picture, because I may be missing something that I can't see on my phone that I can see on my desktop. So that's important to me, and that's just how I do it. Now, a lot of these people just trade from their phones, which is totally cool. I've never been one to do that because I seem to always screw up when I just trade from my phone. I'll miss something. So the way I do it is, monitor it from my phone, but I don't enter from my phone. Okay, so I think that part's really important. I try to be the most professional in my trading that I can be, and I don't think these guys that are managing, multi-million-dollar and billion-dollar hedge funds, that they're trading from their phones. Okay, so it's just something that I think is smart for you guys. But anyways, if you have any questions, please comment below, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. And now we're gonna see you in this next video where we get TradingView set up. So I think this is gonna be the last video that's kind of boring after the one after this. And then we start actually learning how the market moves, and it starts to get really fun. So I'm excited, and now we're gonna see you in that TradingView video. So I'll see you there.
Be pulling up. Remember they said I'm not good enough. I took all the energy, turned it to greatness. Now look at my life, man, it's looking amazing.